Are you looking for Palm Desert condos for sale? 40975 Sandy Gale Lane, Unit C, Palm Desert, California 92211 is a single-story condominium for sale. It is located in the highly desirable Royal Palms gated community. It features an open floor plan with tile flooring throughout, and it's perfect for parties and entertaining guests throughout the year. The living room features vaulted ceilings and opens to the kitchen, which includes a gas oven with stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. There is also a ceiling fan, breakfast bar, and plenty of storage. The master bedroom has laminate wood floors, a walk-in closet with private ensuite bathroom, and a shower. The guest bedroom has laminate wood floors and a mirrored closet. There is also a full guest bathroom with shower and tub, medicine cabinet, and towel bar. Convenient stackable washer dryer in the hallway and has central air conditioning and heating. This Palm Desert home for sale also includes a carport and an assigned parking space. The HOA includes 2 sparkling pools, a barbecue area, and fitness room. There is also a clubhouse for rent for residents. It is conveniently located near shopping, schools, entertainment, and freeways. This condo is move-in ready and truly a delight. Let's make this condominium your home. Please call Alex or Suzy Valentin today for more information. 951-907-4020.